20 seconds and we get this party started. Yeah, I just said it. I feel guilty already. I know. I know. I'm just setting it up. Am I gonna make it? I don't know. I'm gonna go A is... Come on. Submit. New. B. Setting up buttons. Come on. Oh, strap in. Okay, we're doing it. We're going live if I can hit the buttons. Oh, start now. Yay! We did it. We're live. Welcome to another edition of one man trying to change his career and making a fool out of himself all at the same time. I am Nick Kemsky. I am a aspiring dreamer. Today in our Arc Savior video game, we are attempting to make the aim assist that I coded in hastily last night. We're going to try to make it seem a little more not shitty. So hopefully we get it going. I am lucky enough and privileged enough to be allowed to publish this game on Xbox, hopefully December. And I've never done any console sort of gaming stuff before, so this is completely new territory. I've never really done it before. So I am going to test it out really quick. Now, for some reason in my mapping, I'm having an issue. It's not saving one of my maps. Oh, hold on. I'm getting 5 million notifications from... I really gotta shut that stuff off. Yeah, shut up, phone. Okay. So let's play this and see how it goes. Let me turn my aim assist on. Right now I just have it... It's not in the game yet, but it's coded in there. So let's take a look, see what it looks like. Of course I don't have the enemy freaking queued. Oh, Nick. Oh, yeah. Bugger. Hold on. Pause. Let's turn this guy on. So. Okay, there he is there. So let's just try to... So the aim assist is a little too... If I aim over here, yeah, it's a little... It's not... It helps too much. So... For some reason, I don't know why my strafe isn't working the left. And I have to actually... For some reason, I actually have to remap it every time. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Well, I gotta fix that. I don't know why it does it every time. Yeah, now it works. It's the weirdest thing ever. Okay, well, let's go to it. The aiming, the reticle movement feels a bit... I don't know, it just feels sluggish. Like, if I want to turn really quick to the next side, it feels like it takes so long. And what I might have to do is ramp it up, as in have it start off real fast and then move. And I'm gonna have to do that bit. See, the thing is with my mouse, it's perfect. Works perfect with my mouse. So we have another enemy here. Switch my other weapons. There he is. Hey, jerk. Yeah, see, it takes so long to move it over. See, the aim is too easy. Ah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Right now the aim is, it feels a little too easy. This is what playtesting's for. So I'm going to change it real quick to, it's the angle. So it's when the enemy is, oh, I'm in the code camera. Well, you see in the code here, if I can pull it up. Sorry. Someone is screaming at me. Whoops, go away you. Yeah, go away you. Okay, so cursor control. So what I've done is in my aim assist function, it's not even a function. Sorry, it's just it helps. It tells my player weapons what to target. And what I've done is first, I see. I don't really know if this is. It's definitely not optimized. It can't be. But I create a list, and then I declare an angle and a distance, and for every enemy I find with the tag enemies, I throw it out into a big list. And then I get the... okay. And then I get the angle from the player to that enemy, and then I get the distance from the player to that enemy. And what I also do is I also send out a raycast from my player to that enemy. And the reason I do that is because if, say, there's an asteroid in front of and between the player and the enemy, I don't want that enemy to be able to be targeted because it's out of the way. It's out of the player's line of sight. And I'm going to combine these two together. I just separated them for debugging issues. And at this point, if the raycast is able to go from the player to the enemy without anything in between, I check the angle. So if the angle from the player to the enemy is greater than 15 degrees, I discard that enemy. I don't use it. After that, oh sorry, the reason I have the enemy distance here is because that's how long the raycast is. Because outside anything longer than that, the player wouldn't be able to hit, so there's no point even trying to aim at it. It'd be a waste. So if after all of this up here, there is still enemies in the enemy list, or the enemy game object list, I determine which one is the closest to the player, and then that's the one I return. If there isn't any in there, I just return null, so there's no enemies that the player should be aim assisting at. Or aim assisting. The aim assist shouldn't be helping the player because there's nothing viable to be assisting the player with. But if it does find one, it sends that, it returns this to, it's in here somewhere. If aim assist equals true. So if aim assist on, so if my aim assist does return a target, it sends that target to the player weapon controller, and if it is null, it just makes the player weapon control lead target null, which is fine. The only thing that not problem, the only issue that I am having currently, sorry, no, there we go. The only issue that I'm going to have is right now the way I have it coded, it's not good. Because I don't think, yeah. See, there's no way of the player telling or not telling if they actually have a lock on that target. So if I fire a missile, I won't know if the missile is going to actually use that enemy as a target or if it's going to be outside. So I have to figure out a way to implement my missile locking into this, and I'm gonna go really quick and back to Unity, and I'm just gonna open up my missile locking thing. Now I don't remember. Okay, current selected target. Let's go back to current selected target. Ah. Okay, actually that's not so bad. If I do on-screen indicator, hold on. Actually, I might have just stumbled upon this. See, that one checks the game object results. Alright. I know this isn't the most exciting to look at, but this, and I'll get it. I know I'll get it. Okay, first things first, I want to switch that angle. I'm going to make that 10 degrees. Just because 15, it felt too easy for me, but I've been playing this for 3 years. But I suck at a controller. I'm not used to using a controller. Play testers. Hopefully Wednesday. Okay, well, we're going to save that anyway. We're going to leave it at 10. We're going to try it at 10. I think that's going to be a little too narrow. I think. Okay. Okay, so I want to do an ore there as well. Huh. If I make this public, I've never actually tried this before. Can I access? Yeah, I should be able to. Huh. Or, cursor control dot equals shoot. Oh no. Goes game object. Holy shit, that might work. I don't like doing it that way. Eee. Just seems messy. Well, we're gonna try it. So hold on, what's my else here? See, you know, I can't do this because bugger. I mean, I can do it. I just have to add something. Oh, this sucks. If I don't like this at all. Aim assist. Oh, false. So if my aim assist is off, then do all this shite. And if I know it's this elf, if aim assist, no, whoops, cursor control, aim assist equals true, then I basically just copy all this stuff. Then I go if cursor control dot aim assist on equals game object. Then I do all this crap. Copy. And then I do an else if copy. Oh, not equal game object. Near. Then I just do all this stuff. So here's what I'm going to do to make this code a little cleaner. I'm going to put it up here for now. I'm going to avoid... what am I going to call this stuff? I'm going to call it... is this target? I'm going to take all this junk and I'm going to slap it into there because it's just ugly to look at. And then I can just close that off and I can go, is this target? Boop. Just freaking easier that way. It just looks... That's the thing. It doesn't need to be. This doesn't need to be ran. Presumably 60 times a second. Okay. Well, here's what I'm gonna do. Is this my enable? Yeah. We're gonna invoke. We're gonna invoke repeating. And we're gonna start it right away. And we're gonna repeat it. How many seconds should we repeat this? Let's go 2 for now. Or 0.2. So every 0.2 seconds. This translate, if I'm running 60 times a second, this will translate to, it'll check. Why can't I do the math in my head? Oh my god, my brain is fried today. Warband! How's it going, sir? Or ma'am? I'm not quite sure. I've never heard your voice. Sorry if I assumed. I am currently trying to get my aim assist working for my for controller support, so that's what I'm doing. Get rid of you. I just want on disable. Do I have that in here somewhere? No. On disable I do. Okay. We're gonna go cancel. Invoke. Is this target? Boop. There we go. So, presumably, now is right. Do I have to do anything else? No, I don't. Well, we're gonna find out. This too should. I don't like calling that function every fucking frame. Well, we're gonna run it and see how it goes. Okay. How are you today, Warband? What you up to? It's a Twitch playlist, so I know it won't get muted. I can't find... I have music that I want to listen to, but I got too many videos up that are getting muted, which drives me nuts. Okay, so let's try this out. Joe at Bram Muffins. How are you doing, Joe? If you're on. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. It's code. I'm trying to do aim assist today, so of course I have to do code. I don't have a choice. Got me some slack. We're gonna test out some anyway. I'm trying my primary weapons work. Kinda. It's the angle's a bit off. I have to. Oh, see, that's already in there. See, that's not what I wanted. Nope. So basically, that is... Oh, see, I don't want it to be selected all the time. The angle's a bit better, actually. Okay. It's not bad. But, for some reason, right off the bat, this target thing is... the enemy's being selected, and it shouldn't be. And I have to find out why. Where is this freaking thing? So I don't mind. It's this again. I'm using this just because it's a Twitch approved Spotify playlist. So nothing in this playlist is going to get muted out. So I don't mind it at all. I was just hoping for a bit more. Sometimes I like a little bit of like really aggressive angry metal. Sometimes I like the metal that's kind of mixed with, you know, EDM or, you know, a bit of dubstep, whatnot. Hope you're not too much in the bag. It's 8 o'clock, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I thought you were supposed to be like half from the bag at like 10. 9 is acceptable. What's going on? Oh, you just graduated, didn't you? I thought I saw on your Facebook feed, Joe, that didn't you just finish a course? If I have that right? Congrats, man. What's any prospects, or are you just going to kind of ride out the next month in just pure no more school bliss? I don't know why. Well, I do know why. I shouldn't know why, but I do. Bugger. So again, the issue I'm having is the enemy is at least this initial one. Right off the bat, it's auto targeting when it shouldn't. And then actually, well, here we're gonna try this just out of morbid curiosity. If I can get back to Unity for a second here. Go to the enemy. He's far enough away. I'm gonna bring him that close. So that's more than far enough away. Well, I can imagine it's cheaper than Dublin. Well, there's a few companies in Dublin. I imagine you shouldn't have an issue. I mean, your work is phenomenal. So I mean, yeah, I imagine your portfolio is strong. I don't think it would be too hard for you to find, you know, at the very least a part-time gig, let alone a full-time one. Wait a minute, okay. Okay. Ah, here we go. Okay. I don't know why that's well, I'm gonna test it out again. Okay, back to Unity. So basically, yeah, I'm okay right now because there's one enemy that's right in front of the player. I'm okay with the player or the game or the character choosing that game off right off the bat. It's just that when, say, the player turns around and see that guy there, he shouldn't be right now. See, right now it should not be selected. Well, we're gonna find out because that's way outside the angle. Yeah. Well, we're gonna find out. So we're gonna pause it. Let's do a bit of debuggery. Come on, where are you? Okay, so you shouldn't be selected. So my current target controller is selected. Okay, it's fine. What about my cursor controller here? Okay. So let's go to my cursor controller. So if my aim assist is true, my player is okay. So let's check out my player weapon control. There shouldn't be anything in it. Where are you? Oh, it's up there. Currently target none. So then why? Oh, I have to clear it. Okay. That's not so bad. I can do that. So basically, if aim assist on is true. I'm gonna go. Oh, that other phone. I just got a new phone, and it's shut up, phone. And I don't have any of the sounds right. It's driving me absolutely nuts. Okay, so I should probably stop this. So what's happening is my how do I say it? my player has to cache its target controller. So it's cache the current target, and it caches it so that I can pass it to other things. And I keep it in the script just because with a few button clicks and other stuff happens kind of behind the scenes. But so I needed it there. But what's happening is with my aim assist on, where are you? With aim assist on, I'm only passing it if there is a target. I'm only passing it to the weapon controller, and if there isn't a target, then it's making it null. Now, how does it do it? Oh, see, it just resets itself every time. What makes this null? Oh, what makes it null is... If I can find a bloody script. Damn it! This one? Yeah. So if you're using mouse and keyboard, what makes it null is by clicking off of it. It doesn't reset itself. Okay. Okay, we can do this. So we're gonna go if cursor control. Oh my god. Cursor control dot aim assist equals. So if it's not on, we do all this crap here. I hate doing it this way. And then I'm gonna go if. So if the aim assist is on, what I'm going to do is no. Yeah, no, I'm going to do it here. Fuck. This is where I need a coding buddy. Or at least someone who's got a hell of a lot more experience than me, because I don't think this doesn't seem kosher. It's going to work, but it just doesn't seem right. So if in my cursor controller script, if the aim assist game object function doesn't, or returns null, doesn't find anything viable to shoot at or to assist, it's going to make this script also null, which means it won't be able to pass to any other thing. So this should... Whoops, I gotta save it over here. Damn yous! Save. Oh, come on! How much is OBS? Oh, I'm only streaming at 30 frames per second. That's why. Oh, that means it's going to be another stream. Okay, back to Unity. Usually I stream at 60. Let's check out the difference, see if it actually makes a bloody difference. No one's going to care. Who am I kidding? Why am I yawning? Ugh. Alright. So let's give this a go. So as soon as the enemy is not in... As soon as the enemy is not a viable assist, a target to be assisted, target to assist. Oh, I can't even speak. Ah, see, goes away, back, goes away. Ha 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 ha! Yes, yes, my kung fu is strong. Ah ha ha ha! Die. Oh, die again. Oh, hiya. Now just again, it's hack. And I don't know how it feels because I'm not a console guy. Which drives me absolutely nuts because it works right now. Now, granted, this is against one enemy, so I'm going to go to a level where there's lots of enemies. And we're going to see if I can break this thing. We're going to go to level 9, it's the latest level. Still in progress, being tweaked. Okay. Cursor controller, aim assist on. This is gonna be ugly. Here we go. If it'll go. Come on! Come on! Let's test my kung fu. Come on! Oh, Unity. Kicking my ass here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, let's turn off the... Okay, so let's... Whoa! Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Come on. Okay, that's because I just realized. Okay, well, this is good. One of the mini boss in this level, one of the things that they do is they launch missiles at everybody, and they are tagged as the missiles themselves are tagged as an enemy combatant. So I have to. Where's enemy missile? That's weird. Okay, well, let's take a look-see here. Yeah. Oh, sorry, let's take out these debug. Maybe that's why. I just realized these debug logs might be causing some issues. See, the thing is, this aim assist is, it's running every frame. Okay, well, we took those out anyway. Let's try this again. Wow. Yeah, this might cause some issues, but look, that's the whole point. The oh yeah, well, mumble. What do I do? Okay, well, look, we're gonna get rid of that super guy, the mini boss, for now, just to see if this works in a larger enemy setting. But if this works fine and there's no issues, I will turn that mini boss back on and we will fix the targeting the missile issue. Yeah, see, that's way better. So, as soon as we see these sons of bitches, we should... Oh, God, this cursor's so jumpy. Okay, so which one is it going to be? Where is he? It's not bad. I mean, it's jumping. I mean, it's... The only thing is you don't really get to choose your enemy. It's because it's just such a free-for-all, so you can't really track. Which, yeah, see how it just jumps enemies there? I overheated. How do I use that again? There we go. Get my ass handed to me. Oh, come on, you fecker. Okay, well, one thing I'm gonna have to do. Oop, that's my buddy. Come on, get back there. One thing I'm gonna have to do is you see all these health bars. Yeah, you over there. Look at the health bars I'm pointing at them. Ugh, I'm an idiot. So the health bars themselves, I'm gonna have to take them out, as in you should. So only when the ship is targeted should you be able to see the health. And that is just going to be for one. It's going to make the UI a hell of a lot more optimized, because it's not updating every freaking frame, because it doesn't need to, because nothing's happening to it. And two, it's going to be way easier for the player to. It's going to be another good, simple visual indication to the player of which ship he's actually on. I am going to have to figure out a way that it's when my player has a target, and you're shooting at it, like if your primary weapon is down, it won't switch. As in, it won't jump to the next target. It'll let you continue tracking for as long as your trigger is pulled down. I think that's the fairest way to do it. Don't know. I'm gonna try one more time with this missile shooting field commander. Let's see if I can get that slowdown again, just to see, just so it's might just be another, or it's going to be another bug on the list. But please keep in mind, I'm absolute junk with controllers. As in, the only console I've owned in the last 15 years has been the one Microsoft has sent me. Okay, so far so good. Where did it slow down the way it did? All these missiles are coming at me! Ah, missiles! Oh yeah. Okay. So I don't know why I skimmed out. Wow, my frame rate was around 100. I maxed out at 100 anyway. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna save that. We're gonna leave aim assist on for now. So that's good. I mean, it works. It needs to be tweaked, as in I need to player test a lot, and I need to have people. Oh, it was my music. I thought my door opened. No, so I have to tweak some of the values in there. So basically, I'll go back in my code here. Mick head. I know my distance can't change. That's got to stay the same because that's based off of my player weapon range. So there's no point me changing that because it's set in stone right now. My ray casts. I do need to know if the enemy's in. Excuse me. I need to know. Yeah, if the enemy is, if it's behind something. So the only thing I can change is the angle right now, at least, to make it. Oh, Mr. Joe. Yes, I am going to. I don't know how I'm going to do this. There's a. How do I put it? There's a meetup on Wednesday this week in Galway, Ireland. I'm not sure where you're from, Mr. Joe, whatnot. But so I was going to do maybe at least have available 2 or 3 levels to get some playtesting, so that I don't. How do I put it? I need to see people's reaction to it. As in, like, when I start handing out small builds, maybe just single level builds or whatnot, or 2 or 3 level builds for playtesting, I'm going to request, and I want to do it to people who can or are capable of recording their gameplay and their webcam. Not because I want to see who people are, but I need to gauge people's face essentially. I need to know if they're like, I need to see that confused look, or like the frustrated look. Anything that's there, and I need to be able to like go back and look. Oh, they're pissed off at this point, and they're at this part of the game. I sent out my prototypes way back when, for this one level I did, and 99% of the feedback, and I know 99% of it, but most, if not all of the feedback was pretty much, yeah, it's good, keep going. That doesn't help me at all. I'd rather someone say it sucks, I hated it, and then I could say why. But like, it's good, I like it. And I say why, and they're like, it was fun. I like space games. So, not that I didn't appreciate their taking time to play it and giving me, a bit of feedback. It just, I need people to tear it to shreds. I like, when people say it's crap because of this, or this doesn't feel right, that's exactly the feedback I want. Not, you should do this, or this would be better if you put this here in the game. I don't need that. I need feeling. I need, engagement. I need to know or need to see if the player was bored, or if everything they were doing felt tedious. It's more of a feeling. Gameplay is is second. Interaction with being the person being able to interact with the game is first. So yeah, well, like I said, it's positive feedback is great. I love hearing that. Woohoo, I'm on the right track. But like, is it just because people are nice, or trying to just they just want to be nice? Like, I have zero when it comes to this sort of stuff. I mean, if someone walked up and said, "Your haircut's stupid, you're ugly," I know I wouldn't like that. But if they said your game doesn't feel right for what for the level you gave me, I need that. And yes, I know my haircut's stupid. So okay, after that, in the next, I'm gonna say at the latest, God willing, end of June, I want to put out or start collecting playtesters. Non-local playtesters, but again, I need to request gameplay vids. I don't need hour-long footage. I need maybe play this level once or twice and record yourself if you're okay with that. That's gonna. I need to see people just playing that level. You don't need to record it if you play the level 10 times. Don't give me 10 recordings. I just need one. Maybe play the level once or twice, and then actually maybe the first time, because once you know what's going on. Takes away some of the feeling. I need to know if the level itself is built right. It feels right, to navigate through or intuitively. That's the word I'm looking for. But don't worry. I'm glad you're Dick. That's what I need to. That's what I need. He needs Dick. Ugh. I need people who are not afraid to be blunt. I mean, don't be a fucking asshole. Blunt is fine, but when it's over the top, like be constructive in your bluntness, if that's any better. But yeah, I will. Actually, one of the things I'm going to need is if you want, Mr. Joe, go to www.squidmonkeystudios.com, and it's either at the very, very top or the very, very bottom, or both. Throw in your email address for the newsletter. Now again, this newsletter, it's not look a screenshot. It's literally look, I'm a call out for playtesters, or hey, I have a new act is finished. So it's probably once every month, maybe once every month. It's only when some milestones hit. So yeah, that's definitely the forum I'm going to use when I'm trying to find non-local playtesters. So that's great. If you're gonna do that, kick ass. Thank you so much. I'll spread the word though. By all means, if you have any friends that love space games and are as critically blunt as you say you are, by all means, share the link and tell them to get on Twitch and hit follow. Gee darn it. Okay, where's I going? Oh god, I only have about 18 minutes left tonight. Okay, what do I need to do? Oh yes, my cursor movement or my reticle movement. Right now, it's fine for small movements when it's in like the center of the screen. Oh, I'm on the code. When it's in the center of the screen, but as soon as you're on, my cursor's on one side of the screen and I need to move to the other side, I need it to accelerate and then slow down. I don't know how to do that. I need it to ramp up because right now it's if you're on if you're aiming all the way one side and you go to the other side, it's so sluggish to the side. Even though it's moving at the same speed all the time. Irish don't use. Well, what do the Irish use? I live in Ireland. I use Twitch. I'm not Irish though. Damn it. Urgh. What do you use? YouTube. What else is out there? Periscope. FaceTime. I have no idea. What the fuck? Urgh. Facebook. Aha. Okay. Well, fair enough. I think. That's why I'm streaming to Facebook. Touche. This Twitch is easier to keep track of all you people, though. Because there's cool little analytics. Fine. No worries. Okay, so cursor control. Let's get back to... Oh, it was already there in my code. Ugh. Okay, so going back to my cursor right here. So I have to figure out... Thanks, mister. Much obliged. Okay, so right now my mouse position is based off my horizontal and my vertical input. It's not actually the cursor. And the reason I couldn't use my cursor is because I'm using a controller, and controller input can't control the actual mouse cursor, which effing sucks. So I had to make my own reticle and control that with math. I'm staring over here and I shouldn't be. I'm on my code page. I really have to get used to what camera. I need a red light like... Anyway. So I have to figure out a way that if I'm using my joystick. Hey, thanks, Nightbot. If I'm using my joystick, that I need a ramping sort of a value. And then I need a different ramping values for my horizontal, for my vertical, because you want it to be slightly more accelerated going horizontally, because generally people have wider screens than they do vertical. Not the same. I'm going to just kind of throw in anything here. I'm going to go... My player input thing, by the way, is obviously my player input controller. I have no idea. Controllers. No. Shoot. I might actually have to look this up. Get button. What's this? Huh. That could be helpful. Huh. Well, look at this. I think. Oh, my action ID. Ah, there we go. Action name. It's right there. And then controller. Ah. Controller type. Hmm. I'm doing something wrong here. Bugger. I'm gonna have to look this up. Hold on. Bugger, I hate having to do this. Drives me effing nuts. Sorry. I haven't worked with this for so long. Nope. Ah. Oh, it's just... I'm such a tool. Back to it. If I could spell, control type. Whoops. Ah! Arg. Alright. Okay, so that's not what I want. This is driving me bonkers. Da 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 da. Sorry. Is current input source. Oh, why would you be there? Why can't I search? Okay. Hmm. Arg, this is not what I wanted to happen. Never gives examples. Wow, how freaking annoying is that? Son of a bitch. Oh, it's an enum! It's an enum! That's so fucking stupid. Okay, so if in this particular frame, if the input is the action is happening is aiming horizontal and it's from a joystick, hence the joystick I'm freaking using, then we're gonna do this. This is where this crap comes in. Okay, so I'm going to need a few variables. What do I got? I got 7 minutes to pull this off. Yeah, effing right. Well, I'm gonna get the base stuff in anyway, then I'll fuck around with it later. So equals player. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna multiply by acceleration factor. And this acceleration factor is going to be a variable. Float. Boop. We're gonna go x. X acceleration. But x is extreme! Stupid. Okay, and this is going to be determined by my accelerate. So it's an x equals math f. Move towards. So we're gonna go from. See, this is the hard part. This is how much acceleration do I want? What's the max I should use? And we should probably go up by. No, because I want to accelerate fast and go slower. Ah. Okay. We're gonna do this twice. This is going to just go equals... we're going to go 2 for twice as fast. And then underneath it, I'm going to go down to 0. So... Oh, shit. No, that's not going to work. Fuck! No, let's try this way. I'm gonna go 2. And we're gonna go to I don't know, how about 1. Okay. So every frame that's gonna kick up. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing with the Y. Whoops. Now I'm sure there's people out there going, oh my god, I can't believe he's doing it this way. Well, you're not helping, because I didn't ask. But this is the fun stuff. We're going to call this Y acceleration factor, and this is going to be Y acceleration factor. And we're not going to go to 2, we're going to go... Well, what's the math on it? If 16 equals 2, then 9 equals the math. So let's just let's pull up the old calculator, so everyone can join in. Where is it? Oh, it's way over here. Let's go over here. No, code. Calculator. Oh, it's just gonna go back. Son of a bitch. Okay. Okay, so if 16 equals 2, then 9 times 2 divided by 16. 1.12, 1.13. So that's what we're going to multiply our y by. 1.3. Oh yeah, and then I have to make a y acceleration factor. Now I have no idea. This could be complete rubbish, and it could F everything up. I don't know. The only thing I have to do is reset. Okay. The only thing I have to do is if most what the x equals 0, or sorry, it's less than 0.1, just because of, you know, drag and dead zone and all that shit. X acceleration equals 0. So when you stop pressing it, or when you slow up on it, it goes back to 0. And the same thing with this. It's less than 0.1. Now again, I don't know if that number is correct, but... Now, of course, all of this happens only if... And this could... If, cursor... Oh wait, this is cursor controller. If, aim assist equals true. Yeah. And I'm gonna go if aim assist equals false, and do aye. Don't you do that. Here. That's it. It's funny. Ooh, 3 equals. I really mean it. Okay, let's find out. This could be complete shit. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so back to Unity. I did save that. So hopefully, what we're hoping for is I'm gonna turn the player all the way to the one side, and I want the cursor to slowly accelerate, like accelerate faster, because right now it's too sluggish going from one side to the other. Again, it's not an issue with the mouse because it's manually controlled by your hand, so you can accelerate it as you need. The joystick, unfortunately, is only capable of going... It's not capable of being fast enough. And I should... No, this was probably dumb. I don't know. I didn't check if that was on, but we're going to find out. Well, look, it worked for a second there. Whee! It's up and down isn't working. Okay, well, the theory's there. How come my up and down isn't working? Did I screw something up here? Oh, I did. Look at that. I didn't make it Y. It's supposed to be vertical. This is supposed to be Y sensitivity. Holy cow, I screwed the whole thing up. Alright. I'm gonna go with 0 on this just to see what happens. Because right now it's... I mean, it's actually kind of working okay. I mean, now that I get the Y thing fixed. But like, the theory feels like it's there. It just needs a lot of number tweaking. And I think I just have to reset certain things. Vertical, vertical, horizontal. What's going on here? Unity. Don't be a dick. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so... Whoa. I'm just flying around. I'm not really paying attention to the game. I mean, it's... Oh, shit. I'm already dying. So if I'm all the way this way, I want to aim back over. It's not bad. The Y actually is worse than anything else. But that's not bad. It's just, I have to... I found a better way of resetting it. And it does need to go the other way around. It does need to go from really fast to slow instead of slow to fast. Oh, 904. Oh, shit. Okay. With what I had to do right now... Oh, sorry. How do I explain it? Okay, what's got to happen right now for me is that I'm going to need to play around a lot with math. Sit here and do a bunch of testing. I might even break out the actual calculator, well, my phone, to do a bit of acceleration math, whatnot, just to see if I can get this right. However, the theory's there. The aim assist actually feels okay to me, but maybe I'm just completely biased. It's probably true. So I'm going to stop here, which I know. Oh, I know. Wipe your tears with your sense of relief. I will be back on Monday at 9 p.m. Irish time, and I hopefully will have all this aim assist stuff worked out. Oh, I'm over here. I'm talking to the wrong freaking camera again. I'm going to go back to my Unity camera. So hopefully I have all this code stuff worked out. and we'll be able to do a little bit more development. Maybe it's the playthrough. I haven't actually done a proper playthrough. I've done bug lists and stuff. Anyway, so maybe we'll do that. I'll have to decide over the weekend. So for those who did show up, Mr. Joe, Mr. Joe 45, Joe Daly who showed up, Warband, you were in and out, Christina was in and out. There are a good few more. Some I don't know, some I do. Thank you very much for showing up. I'm back, like I said, Monday, 9 till 11-ish. Maybe, no, sorry, 9:30 to 11-ish, I think, is the time I gave. Check my stream thing, I don't know, bloody hell. But thanks to you very much. If you haven't followed, please hit the follow button. I know so far the people in chat already have, so thank you very much. And yeah, I enjoyed your questions, and I'm very sorry if some parts of this were boring, and now I'm rambling. So what I'm going to do is click that button, and then this button, and then that button, and then that one, and then I have one more to... Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you Monday. Hope you had somewhat of a good time. Hit www.squidmonkeystudios. Sign up. Do it. Follow. Do it. See you later.